Okay guys, this is Robert from Trade the Moment. It is now 12:30 Thursday. We are looking for a quick scalp in and out of a trade. We're looking at American Express. Made some news, sold off sharply, lots of volume. We're looking for a quick reversal on this. It's a little bit climactic. The body of the bars were real big. So on the one now, we're looking for a break right here, 118.66. So that's the first signal that we may have as a reversal, 118.66. This is going to get posted on the Discord channel. So right now it's 118.66. I don't have time to post it. So we're looking for a break of 118.66 for a long reversal. Just a quick trade in and out. I don't know if we're going to get it. We may have to move our entry. We will play it by ear. Right now 118.66 is what we're looking at. It's still making lows. It's obviously not ready. But we will try it at 118.66 on this particular breakout. It's a 1 minute breakout. We're looking for 50 plus cents on this trade, maybe at 80 cents. We'll see what we can get. Here we go. We're going to enter this at 118.66. There we are. We're long above 66. We need to see if this was a false breakout. I think we're going to get an easy trade here. There's the entry, guys, 118.66, and hit that number, got involved, and it is now struggling. Not a good sign, but I still think it'll work. You got a huge volume to push down. I think most of the selling at the moment should be done. A break of 118.66, we can get involved. 119.20 will add to this trade. Here we come, we're coming right back up. Here we go, 57.64, beautiful. We're above, we're green on the trade. Here we go, 50, 56, 48, and again we ran into sellers. A lot of sellers here, but I do think we're going to push through. I'm not sure we're going to add at 19.20. Let's see what the body of the bar looks like when we break through this. Here we go again, 60, 59, 67, 66, beautiful. Come on, one nice 45, 55 cent bar. We like 50 cents minimum on this. We like to see 19.10, 19.20. Okay, we're starting to sell off a little bit. As you can see, we're trying to go higher. We do have some buyers. The question is the selling going to subside?
LP. Company with guidance and preliminary fourth quarter numbers. Shares of $2.90. Wells Fargo raising its price target on the shares to $66. Shares currently at $46 a share. And again, Wells Fargo, new street high, $66 a share on L Brands LB.
Still watching American Express for the reversal. LB looks like a fantastic breakout. Right about 46.50. We'll call this as well. LB above 46.50. Now I have no volume down here on the 5, but it's still a nice breakout. If we can get 46.50. Gapped up earlier, hit a top. Okay, let's stay with American Express. LB above 46.50. We'll post that in the room. LB. There's a long posted in the room. American Express is a long. We're involved at 118.60. We're looking for 119.20 on American Express. We're long at 118.60. We're trying to break the top here, make a high, and get out quickly. LB Brands 46.50. It's grinding higher. Here it comes. LB. American Express isn't working yet. Trying to get that reversal, not looking good here, but I still think we'll take out 119 and maybe get 119.20 on this particular trade. Let's keep these two trades live. Trying to take out 46.50. This trade has not confirmed. Let's see if this trade can get 46.50 and maybe go. American Express has not found. It's not found its way higher. Looking ugly right now. American Express looking like an ugly trade. Looking for that reversal bar. We had a failed breakout here. We got trapped, but I think we'll be okay. We'll watch it. Volume has slowed down, so. One bar up, we should be okay. American Express looking much better. They don't think they could take this down too much more. I know it just pivoted lower here, but this could be okay if it starts to put some green bars in. The worst may be over. We did get trapped on the false breakout up here. There's no ifs, ands, buts about it. It broke out and we got trapped, but we'll see how this trade plays out. Right now we're underwater by about, call it 55 cents. Not too bad on that little pivot up. So 118.60 we're looking for to get even, and 119.20 to take profits and close out. This trade we won't trade 3/4 because it's a spike up. We'll take the money being we were underwater and we'll run with it. So we're looking for 60 cents out of this trade or more, and then we will run. But this trade, if it gets back to 118.60, it should be fine. Maybe we will hold 1/4 of it and let 3/4 go. We'll play it by ear. Let's see what the body of the bars look like. Let's see what the volume looks like. So let's play it by ear. Also watching. AEE looking awfully ugly. Lots of lows. Watching AEE. Okay guys, had to take that call, sorry, very, very sorry. So, American Express still hanging in there. Boy, the stock looks awful. Wish I was short this bad boy. Awful. Tried to rally, failed, took out the low, tried to rally, failed, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low. Took out this here and just awful. American Express is trying to catch it, it looks like. Come on, reverse me, AXM. Reverse, AXP. Need a reversal on American Express. We got involved here, and as I told you, we got trapped on the false breakout, but I think we'd be okay. Managing trades are very important, guys. This is not a trade that you really want to be in, but you're in, and you can't run from a trade like this. It's just, you just got in too soon. You got in on the breakout that didn't happen. If you got in on this breakout, it would have been fine for $1 and change, but it didn't happen. But we tried it here, we got trapped up here, and I still think we're going to be fine. I'm not going to run from this trade yet. There's not enough of a reason to run. Now we have a channel. I will like to say, if we break down here, we have to close this trade out at a loser. This we don't like to do. 117.53 will be the out. And we're getting there right now. So this does not look good. We're going to take about $1.07 loss on this stock, on American Express. We bought the reversal. We got trapped up here. But let's see if it could reverse. It doesn't look good. But 153 is a line in the sand. 117.53, I'm sorry. There's a line in the sand at 53 cents. And we're pushing down there to get there. We'll see what happens. It just doesn't look good. What else is going on? Let's see. We have a call out on LB. There she goes. Call out on LB is at 46.50. So LB is now a live trade. Excellent. So we have a live trade going. We may need this one to pay for American Express. So there's LB. Could use a stop. I would say probably, let's go to 20. So LB, let's use 46.20 as a stop. American Express is still hanging in there. So if you go to Discord and you go to the stock channel, you'll see LB posted long at 46.50. I am posting now. Use stop at 46.20. So you have 30 cents risk on LB as a long. Let's see what we can do with that. Here comes the American Express. Very good. American Express just needs to take out 1860. We will take, if this trade can go, we will take 3/4 of American Express at 1920. $119.20. We're closing 3/4 of American Express, and then we'll see what we could do with the last quarter. This trade could be a $2 trade, a $3 trade. So let's just watch this trade. But 3/4 of this trade is going to go out at about 19.20, giving us about 60 cents profit from the 118.60 entry. So let's keep an eye on American Express. We're obviously not done. We may have put a bottom in. If not, at 117.53, we will close this position. So use 117.53 as a stop. That's posted in Discord under the free channel. So American Express still looks very good. I do think it's going to take out the 118.60 where we called it, and I do think you're going to get 119.20 for a quick profit. And then we'll try to see what we can get out of it. LB is working. 46.50 entry. It's 46.60. We have a 30 cent stop on this play, so there isn't much risk. This looks like a real nice grind out. It's following its 9 on its 1. So we're going to stay with that one. Here comes American Express, baby. There we go. We'll break even on this trade almost at 60. At 119.20, we will take the 60 cents profit and see what else we can get. Here we go. Beautiful. Let's break the 119 now and try to take a 119.20 trade out of this baby. We'll keep an eye on LB right down here. And AEE, it's a shame we didn't get an entry into this one because this is a big winner. But here we go. American Express 119.14, 16, 23, 23. Beautiful. 21, Okay, so we're looking for American Express now to take to get closer to 120 now. So there, there's American Express above 119.20. 3/4 of this trade is done. So we'll go to the room, American Express, out 3/4. At 119.21. 61-cent winner. And we're going to use 118.60 as a stop on the last quarter. Okay, guys, so we got into a little bit of trouble in that trade. We got into a little bit of trouble here. We were underwater, like 80 cents, 90 cents, whatever it was. We had to stop in. We got involved here at 118.60. And it came down. We put a line in the sand at 117.53. It's posted on the Discord app. It's free to all members to use. Go to Trade the Moment and put a stop in. It never stopped out. And it came back, closed 3/4 of the trade at 119.20. And now we're looking for a break above 120 on the last quarter. The other trade that's live is LB 46.60. We're in at 46.50. Use 46.20 as a stop. Okay, at 120.60, 120.50, American Express trail the last quarter, close last quarter actually, close last quarter at 120.50. Gone. Beautiful. Closed out at 72. That was an excellent trade, American Express. It's still going. We are looking for the reversal here. We got in. I'll walk you through the trade. We were looking for the reversal up here. We got trapped on this pivot at 118.60. It traded down. We were stuck about 90 cents, something like that. We put a line in the sand down here. After it made this pivot, we put this line in. And it reversed, and we sold 3/4 at 119.20, and at 120.50 we wanted to get out of the balance. So that was a real nice trade. We have LB still going at 150 at 46.50. We got to stop in at 46.20. It's 30-cent risk. We will trail this as it goes. We'll move our stop. You can go to Discord and find these trades. They're free to all to use, and throughout the day we'll post.